Welcome. In this video, we'll optimize Bongo Cat for the smoothest possible gameplay. Bongo Cat is a rhythm game known for its charm, but sometimes performance hiccups can spoil the fun. We'll cover the best settings and tweaks to ensure you're hitting those notes with perfect precision, even on older hardware. Let's dive in. Before we tweak settings, let's understand the key factors affecting Bongo Cat's performance. Frame rate, or FPS, should ideally be locked at 60 for accurate timing. Latency, or audio delay, needs to be minimal. Input lag, the delay between your key press and the game's reaction, also needs reducing. Addressing these is critical for a smooth experience. To optimize Bongo Cat's performance, start by opening the game's settings menu. This is where you'll find all the configuration options for graphics, audio, and input controls. In the graphics settings, lowering the resolution can significantly boost your FPS, especially on weaker systems. Try settings like 720p or 1080p instead of higher resolutions like 4K. Additionally, disable unnecessary graphical effects such as particle animations. These can cause performance drops during high-note density songs. In the audio settings, experiment with buffer size options like 32, 64, or 128 samples to minimize latency. Smaller buffers reduce delay, but may cause audio crackling on slower systems. Finally, adjust key bindings in the input configuration to match your preference. Use comfortable keys for responsive input, and consider secondary bindings for flexibility during gameplay. Your operating system plays a crucial role in Bongo Cat's performance. Windows 11 offers significant improvements over older versions, particularly in how it handles VSync technology. VSync synchronization helps prevent screen tearing, where parts of the game image appear misaligned. Windows 11 provides better VSync handling, resulting in smoother gameplay compared to older operating systems. To illustrate VSync's importance, here's a comparison showing the difference between VSync off and on. Notice how the on version eliminates tearing for a cleaner image. Another critical factor is keeping your graphics drivers up to date. Modern drivers improve compatibility with Windows 11 and optimize performance for games like Bongo Cat. This comparison shows the visual improvements from updating NVIDIA drivers, demonstrating how driver updates can enhance game rendering and stability. Finally, close unnecessary background applications to free up system resources. This prevents CPU and memory usage from interfering with game performance. Use Windows Task Manager to identify and close resource-intensive applications. This example shows how monitoring CPU and memory usage helps optimize your system. Bongo Cat is designed to be lightweight and accessible, but your hardware still plays a crucial role in achieving smooth performance. The minimum hardware requirements are quite modest. You'll need at least an Intel i3 processor, 2 GB of RAM, and integrated graphics to run the game. For a smoother experience, especially on complex songs with high note density, consider upgrading to an overclocked CPU or a dedicated graphics card. Many players have achieved good performance even on older laptops from 2015 by lowering graphics settings and using external audio interfaces to reduce latency. VSync alignment with your monitor's refresh rate is crucial to avoid screen tearing. This synchronization ensures smooth visuals by matching frame updates to your display's refresh cycle. Cap your frame rate at 60 FPS to prevent unnecessary strain on your system. Higher frame rates can cause instability, while capping ensures consistent performance without wasted resources. Calibrate your input settings, adjusting key sensitivity to minimize missed inputs. Proper calibration ensures precise timing, critical for high scores in rhythm games. Experiment to find the optimal balance for your setup. Different hardware may require different configurations for the best performance. The Bongo Cat community has created a vibrant modding scene that enhances both performance and replayability. Through community-driven tools and content, players can customize their experience beyond the base game. Active communities on platforms like Reddit and Discord share fan-made content, including custom song charts and skins. These mods extend the game's replayability by adding new music and visual themes. The Bongo Cat modding kit is a popular community tool that allows players to create custom charts. It enables optimization of song difficulty and pacing, helping to maintain smooth performance even on complex custom tracks. Some users have unlocked frame rates on 144Hz monitors using mods and frame rate unlockers. This provides even smoother visuals, reducing input lag and improving the overall gaming experience for high refresh rate setups. While unofficial mods can enhance gameplay, always download from reputable sources to avoid security risks. Community projects like Bongo Cat remixes demonstrate how mods can create engaging new content while maintaining game stability. Experiencing lag in Bongo Cat? Let's troubleshoot step by step to achieve that smooth gameplay. First, check your CPU and GPU usage. High usage can cause frame drops. If needed, lower graphics settings further to reduce load. Try using full screen mode, as it often reduces latency compared to windowed. As game developer 3/4 notes, prioritize VSync alignment with your monitor's refresh rate to avoid tearing. Remember, a buttery smooth experience is achievable with the right tweaks, letting you enjoy Bongo Cat to its fullest.